Hey guys, so today I thought that I would sit down and play with a lip kit from Jane Iredale. It is the Red Hot Lip Kit Ensemble, and it looks like this inside, so if you guys would like to see application and hear my thoughts of these products from Jane Iredale, then just keep watching. I am wearing a full face of new spring products from Jane Iredale right now. That video should already be up, so let's check out this kit. This says, create your kissable lip with this red hot trio of lip-loving pigments that nourish and hydrate. Wear solo or layer for a bolder, long-wearing look from subtle to vibrant. It says, get the subtle matte look using just the lip liner. Get the sheer gloss look using the pencil and, is this a gloss or a liquid lipstick? Not sure yet. And then it says, get the vibrant, bold look using all three products. And it says there's a lip pencil, a pure gloss lip gloss, and a triple luxe long-lasting naturally moist lipstick, which I know from experience I'm not a big fan of the taste, but we'll see what we think of these three. Okay, first up is the Terra Cotta lip pencil. Ooh, that's a really nice shade. I would love wearing that by itself. Next, in like a little squeezy tube, is their Cherries Jubilee. I think they said this was a lip gloss, right? Little hourglass wand. Lemongrass, ooh. That's nice. It's not as intense as it looks in the little tube. And then we have Gwen, which is this kind of like pinky red lipstick, and that's not really going to go with my look today, so I'm going to try these two. If you'd like to see application and hear my thoughts on their lipstick formula, head on over to the Full Face of Jane Iredale video to find out my thoughts on that. But let's start off with this lip liner and see what we think, and then we'll add this cherry gloss on top. This reminds me of the Kevin Kwan, what do they call it, flesh tone lip pencils. Really nice. You guys already see the difference from this side to this side. Really nice shade. Okay, so I love this lip liner by itself. It's a really pretty color. I don't know, very flattering. It's not too warm, not too cool. It's like the nice, perfect mid-tone. So now let's try this lemon scented Cherries Jubilee gloss on top. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like lemon Skittles. Oh, I really like this. Very juicy, voluptuous, very juicy. I really like this formula. I really like this scent. Look how shiny my lips are. So, I have to say, out of the three, I would say I have 2 wins and 1 miss. I just don't care for the fragrance on these, the taste on these. The formula is fine. It's like a nice semi-shine, a nice medium tone color coverage. Just I can't get past the scent, unfortunately, so that doesn't bother you. You wouldn't mind these at all. The packaging is beautiful. Magnetic closure, very luxe, very beautiful. But these are definitely the standout winners for me from this Red Hot Lip Kit. So I would say I would definitely say check it out because it's probably a great value even if you just use 2 out of the 3. So I'm going to say this is still a win in my book. So I hope you guys enjoyed this try on and hearing my first impressions. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and as always, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.